Even though I don't love all the changes that YouTube's made over the years, out of all the social media companies, it seems like they actually do care about creators, which is not something that I can say for a lot of the other ones. Instagram. Hey guys, it's Megan. First of all, I'm filming this on my iPhone with the back camera, so if at any point I'm not looking directly into the lens, I am so sorry. It's been a minute since I have done a long form video. There's a couple reasons for that, maybe we'll get into that later, but I went to my first ever influencer event this past Wednesday, and I wanted to tell you guys about it because it was so much fun. Thank you so much to YouTube for having me. I have no idea how I got invited to this thing, but I'm so glad that I went. They gave us these huge goodie bags. It's a bag from Pop Flex, which how did they know that this was my favorite color? I feel like they paid attention. I don't know if that was intentional, but if it was, shout out to the YouTube team because they had a couple different colors. If you just came to see what's in here, I'll put a timestamp, but I want to tell you guys about the event and how everything went. I had no idea what to expect, honestly. Have you ever been to an influencer event? Comment down below. I was kind of expecting it to be like that scene in Emily in Paris where she goes to the influencer event and everyone's like, who are you? Which, you know, it was a little bit like that, but it's not like I really show my face a ton in my videos. Honestly, I didn't really know who anyone else was either. I did see the girl. She makes the totally blanking on her username. When and said hi, I was like, oh, hey, I love the that you do. Not gonna lie, I feel like she was a little bit annoyed, but it is what it is. I took the train in the day before, which I live in Pennsylvania and this event was in New York, so it was about a 3-hour train ride. Huge shout out to my mom for coming with me. She is definitely better about being places on time than most of my friends are, and me. Like, I can't really say anything. I am not a morning person, so I got a hotel that was pretty close. When we first got there, there was this girl. She had her whole entourage with her. They were all blocking the doors to the hotel because she had to take pictures right when everyone's checking in. She had all the studio lights set up. There were like 2 or 3 guys around her. You go, girl, but at the same time, this is why I'm a little embarrassed to tell people what I do for a living. I'm just saying, I never know what to say anymore because I used to just say I was a YouTuber, but now I do a lot of other things too. So sometimes I'll say content creator, then I always gotta preface it. I promise it's not like that. There's a reason that my videos consist mainly of just my hands because I am not photogenic. In my head, I was kind of like, oh, great. I literally wore no makeup on the train. I was like, you know what? I can just wear my big sunglasses. I will sneak in and do my makeup when I get there. It was like really dark in this hotel, so that didn't really work out. The hotel, cool windows, but one of the most uncomfortable hotels that I've stayed in. The beds were so low to the ground and my back hurt so bad. Which, this is how you know you're getting old, okay? I'm like, oh yeah, my back hurt, which it did. The next day was the day of the event. I got up around 7. I figured give myself an hour and a half, 2 hours to do my makeup. I had nothing planned. I kind of did my makeup like this, except I did like a wing with eyeshadow, which I really should not have done that, but whatever, it's fine. I really need to invest in one of those travel makeup cases with the light up mirrors because there was no good place to do my makeup in this hotel. I was so scared that I was gonna be late. Luckily, I was not the last one there. It was all good. It was definitely kind of awkward at first. I'm actually the worst in social situations. The one thing that I always do is if someone's wearing a cute outfit, I always tell them, and of course it's always genuine. I'm not fake. Like if I don't think your outfit's cute, I'm not gonna say it is. Great conversation starter, unless you get somebody like that Urban Outfitters boots girl. Did you guys see that video? I don't know why that was such a big controversy. If you ever see me in public, if you want to know where I got something, I will tell you. I feel the same way about crafts actually. Sometimes people will ask me if it's okay to make the crafts for my videos, and like, girl, yes, you do not have to ask. That's one thing that really bugs me about some of the craft girlies. I've seen this a lot with like the crochet girlies. They're like inspiration only, like don't copy this. They'll put a whole faux legal disclaimer, and it's like, girl, you put it on the internet. If you don't want anyone to copy you, don't put it on the internet. It's not that hard, I'm just saying. Anyways, I checked in, I got my badge. The event was for YouTube shopping. It was the YouTube shopping summer house. I know sometimes people do stuff with like the lanyards and these bracelets. If you guys wanna see how to take this off without ruining it, it's actually super easy. First, you're gonna twist the end as tight as it will go. I twisted mine towards me. Now you're gonna wanna keep this end tight. And I actually find that it's easier if I put this in my mouth, which I know is kind of gross. I'll live. You're gonna twist this part in the same direction that you twisted the ribbon. And you can usually take it the whole way off if you want to. For this purpose, I'm not going to, but there you go. Now you can save your wristband. I haven't gone to anything like this since like 2017. I think the last thing I went to was like Playlist Live. I just want to say I met this guy there who was really obsessed with Piper Raquel, and he was like in his 20s. I could not finish that documentary. Like, I've seen too much, I know too much. Honestly, I feel like if you're under 18, just don't post yourself online. Sorry, I said what I said. And if you're a parent, if your main source of income is your child, you're a bad person. But that's a little off topic. Just saying, I actually do use the crafts that I make. Like this freaking Mario Badescu keychain. This came in clutch because I forgot my lipstick, but I did bring a lip stain, which I'm wearing today. It's actually a Wonder Skin one, which Sachu Beauty was one of the sponsors of the event. I wonder if we'll get some lip stain in there. For the first like hour, they had breakfast. They had a little station where you could make hats. Here's the one that I made. They had a bunch of enamel pins that you could use to decorate them. I didn't get a chance to actually pin these on. As I was picking out the pin, somebody came over and they were like, oh, the thing starts in like 2 minutes. I was woefully unprepared. I'm not a vlogger. You guys know that. I found out that my mini tripod, which I'm using right now, if you're just using it to film like this or like this, it's fine. But if you're trying to film at an angle, to film yourself pinning pins onto a hat, perhaps, it sucks. It like toppled over. And I thought about bringing my Meta glasses, but then I was like, is that disrespectful to bring the Meta glasses to a Google event? So I didn't bring those. And I also got a new phone case. The pop socket, it slides up and down. And it's kind of nice because you can pop this out and kind of prop your phone on a table. I should have done that actually to film the freaking hat. I kind of like my other pop socket case better though because it lays flat. From 10 a.m. to noon, they had a bunch of talks and like panels and stuff. Apparently it's YouTube's 20th anniversary. Comment down below, when did you make your YouTube channel? I feel like I made this one in like late 2013. They had a panel with Walmart, which Walmart is really upping their clothing game and stuff, which is super exciting. Who else misses going to Walmart at 3 a.m.? Me. And after that was a creator panel. I actually met Nicole from Dutch's Braids afterwards, and she was so nice. She helped me take some photos. Then there was a YouTube AMA. The rest of the day was kind of up to you. I had a meeting with Anna from Beach Waver at 12:30. She asked if I wanted to come back and get my hair done, and I was like, yes, of course. I think that might be one of the things in the gift bag. In the meantime, I stopped by the e.l.f. booth so I could get my makeup touched up because I was in desperate need of some lip gloss. I'm so mad that L'Oreal lip gloss that I used in the passport makeup, I lost it. I don't know where it is. I got my makeup touched up by Tommy Tafoya, who was absolutely fabulous. Like I said, I only brought my phone, so some of the footage is a little sketch, but did you know you can use the e.l.f. Halo Glow on your lips? Then I stopped by one of the photo stations. I'm really trying to get better about being on camera. I've never really been like a real influencer. My content is generally not about me, which is fine, you know, like it works. But when I think about the people that I really love to watch, they share more about their lives than I do. Also, though nobody cares about my life. That was always kind of my strategy. If you're trying to start a new social media account, don't make it about you. People are inherently very selfish. When you're creating content, you really got to think about, why would somebody want to watch this? What are they getting out of watching this? For me, that's always been super clearly, they learn something generally. The crafts, the tutorials, that have always worked really well for me. I'm good at it, but there's kind of some issues with that because first of all, I'm only one person. I can only make so many crafts. That's a big issue. All right, anywho. Then it was time for my appointment with Beach Waver, which I'm so glad that they had this because I kind of ran out of time to do my hair in the morning. Like I said, I am not a morning person, but I got my hair done by Dana DeFazio. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but she did such a good job. Whatever they put in that hairspray or like heat protectant is magical. I think she used the Great Barrier heat protectant and maybe some of the Everyday Flex hairspray, but I just put it in a bun that night because I was tired. I didn't want to wash my hair. And in the morning, the curls still looked really good. And since I got my hair done, I figured, what the heck, might as well go do the headshot booth. Pictures are just not my thing. That's actually part of why I've always really loved YouTube. I look so much better in videos than in pictures because my eyes, like, they don't always move together. You look to the left or you look to the right or something. Like, they don't always go at the same speed. So sometimes my eyes just like look a little bit wonky in photos. At least now I know though what the issue is. For a while I just gave up because like I thought I was just ugly. Just my eyes are messed up. It's fine. If you made it this far, comment your favorite YouTuber. And don't say me. You're not allowed to say me. Say somebody else. We're doing like little talks throughout the day. The one that I really needed to get to was the AI one. I know a lot of like the artsy people are not about AI. I get it. Like I feel you, but it has its uses. But some things are also just really annoying. Like the freaking at the top of the page when you search on Google now, useless. Feels so old when it comes to that. Like I don't understand. But we're gonna try to learn. Maybe that could be a series, learning how to use AI before it replaces me, because it will. Okay, I've made you wait long enough. Let's see what's in here. The bag is from Popflex. I kind of did sneak a peek at the side pockets, but The Fenty Hair The Water Boy Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. The next thing is from Beach Waver. It's their Luxe Leave-In Conditioning Detangler. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little floral print in there. Now, this other pocket. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna butcher this name. I'm so sorry. La Colombe Draft Latte. What's your favorite kind of coffee? Comment down below. It's their Salt and Sea Texturizing Spray. Helps boost body and fine hair. Ooh, yes, I need that. It says you can use it on wet or dry hair. I just realized it has a little strap right here so you can put it on the handle of your suitcase. And it also has a pocket. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Oh, dude, there's little rings in here and there's a long strap. I could read them, but we'll keep it a surprise. Sometimes I see things and I'm like, my American Girl dolls would have loved this. This is from Spanx. Ooh, it's leggings. I don't know if I even said this was for fashion and beauty creators. This is so funny. The t-shirt. That's actually the brand name, but I'm totally wearing this on Mother's Day tomorrow. I love PacSun. Like literally half my clothes are from PacSun. Cream colored hoodie. I think it's just a plain hoodie, but I love that. That's the thing. Before this, they asked us for our pant size and I was like, how the heck should I know? I usually just gotta try them on. This one is from Walmart. We got a Beach Waver. It says FRE. I wonder if that's Free People. I feel like these are cute though. It makes everything look kind of yellow. I feel like these would be good for driving. Just put setting powder on the nose bridge. The Laura Mercier one's my favorite. Doesn't have to be a lot, just like a thin layer is fine. And no, your sunglasses won't mess up your makeup. Put a little bit of extra right here. This is the translucent powder, by the way. You might also want to put some on this part, but my sunglasses kind of always slide down, so I'm not going to worry about it. I did actually go over to their booth while I was there. Y'all, I am not going to be able to say this name. Everything will be tagged in the video, but let's see what this smells like. I think this is more of like a musky scent. I saw this there and I was like, bro, I need to get one of these. It says it's a clip-on phone fan and selfie ring light. This is gonna be perfect for summer. I think I have to charge it. It's so cool though. By the photo stations, they had products that you could kind of play around with. The video I did was with the Glossier perfume. Felt like it would be easy to make a video, like it'd be cute, you know, spray the perfume. Stop it. Oh my gosh. It's the one that I was using in the video that I filmed there. It's the pink one. I was literally looking at these, like I've been wanting one of these. It's a cleansing facial treatment with a massage brush head. We got the purple one too. It's a little purple bottle. Perfect for me. This is cool. Master X Master Painter Perfume. This is very on brand for me. It's like the beauty products and art. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I feel like you could use this box for something too. Of course I would say that, but I needed some brushes. We got 2 sets of BK Beauty brushes. Heard a lot of good things about these brushes. Super excited to try these. There's definitely something in here. It smells like candy. e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. Lemon Myrtle Blend to help reduce the look of excess oil. Yes, I need this. I really need to find some good stuff for oily skin. I always want to say corks. That's not right. Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Look how big this is. Being Ink Nourish and Shine Daily Clean Shampoo. This smells so good. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, to be honest. It smells like candy. A little Mario Badescu spray. You guys know we love Mario Badescu. Heritage by Mindy McKnight. Magic Dust Texturizing Powder. Was anyone else obsessed with cute girls hairstyles? I would always try to do it and I would always fail miserably because I have like 3 pieces of hair. Beauty Space Jasmine and Rose Hand Cream. That's so cute. Kenra Volume Spray. Literally, I looked at this because I wanted to get some hairspray to take with me, but I ended up just putting my hairspray into like a little spray bottle. Oh, look how big this is. The biggest Walmart bag I've ever seen. This would be perfect to put in the trunk of your car. I definitely broke the little clips that were holding it together though. Bobbi Brown Booster Based Vitamin Enriched Set. Doesn't say what kind of skin type it's best for. Packaging is so cute though. This is crazy how much stuff is still in here. Look how cute this bag is. Like I can't get over that. There's a little pocket over here and there's pockets on the sides. So many pockets. For influence to get one thing, I'm telling you, the Blogilates bag. I always want to say Blogilates. Cassie, I'm so sorry. It's called Pop Flex. Laneige Bouncy and Firm Serum. I got my sister, I think it was the lip mask that she wanted for Christmas. I kind of want to try this. Yeah, I don't think she's getting this one. Got some Summer Fridays lip oil. I don't know if I've ever tried Summer Fridays, but I've seen the lip glosses a lot and I know everyone really loves them, so I bet the lip oil is really good. Maybe I could do a full face of stuff I got from YouTube. What would I even call it? I don't know. I wanted to try these for so long. Pixie by Petra On The Go blushes. I'm sure you've seen these. You swoop them. They kind of look like little deodorant sticks. We got the colors Juicy, Ruby, and Fleur. Also from Laneige. Neo Essential Blurring Finishing Powder. Okay, awesome. It's another one to absorb oil. I literally wanted this. Like, how did they know? This is so pretty. e.l.f. Lip Glow Oil. A cool toned one. I know it looks kind of blue in there, but it goes on more sheer. 10 out of 10, get this lip oil. e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, a classic. We got a Summer Fridays lip balm too. I love birthday cake flavored stuff. I have a Glossier one that's in birthday cake too, I think. Should I make this into a keychain? Let me know what kind of beads I should do if I do a keychain. Oh, nice. From Laura Mercier. Lip glaze in the color Cream Caramel and a lipstick crayon in the color Petal Soft. I Heart Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. My lips can always be more hydrated. Can definitely use this. Nana Bright Eye Cream. I really need to do something about how hollow underneath my eyes are. So this will be perfect. From Fenty. Ooh, that's pretty. Gloss Balm Oils. We got the colors Fussy and Miss Jellyfish. I feel like a purple lip, it probably won't work the best for me, to be honest, but you never know. It goes on more sheer like the e.l.f. one, it might. And this is also from Fenty. It's the Butter Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream. I love the packaging on this. Tarte High Performance Naturals set with a Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump and a Maracuja Juicy Lip Liner. I think I have something like this actually. I know that I like both of these products. From fragrance.net, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I don't think I can get this off, but okay, I'm actually an idiot. It's not a lid, you twist it. Love that. And this is a little case to put your perfume in. You could use this as a lipstick case too. Yes, oh my gosh. I actually just got one of these, the Statue Beauty Cheek Stains, but I didn't get this one. But this is the color 05 I'm Hot, which says that it's a warm brick color. I've really been wanting to try self-tanner contour, high maintenance to stay low maintenance, that kind of thing. Definitely gonna do a series on that soon. Oh, it's the e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara. I don't know if I've ever really tried an e.l.f. mascara. I have like the clear one that's like a clear brow gel slash mascara, but the mascara side as a brow gel too. The last pocket is this little zipper pocket. Oh, it's eyeliner, nice. Bare Minerals eyeliners, Diamond, Garnet, Graphite, and Sapphire. I really need to get better about doing eyeliner. Got them hooded eyes, it's a little bit of a struggle. Icebreakers mints. I haven't had these in so long. Ooh, it looks like we got a gift card. I think this is a $100 gift card, but don't quote me on that. Let me know what your favorite thing from this gift bag was. It's so hard. If I had to pick, it might actually be the bag. I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this. I'm so excited to try all these products. Let me know if there's anything in here that you'd like to see a video on. That's kind of the thing. I don't really know what to do for long form videos anymore since I've been doing shorts for so long now. I think I started making YouTube videos when I was 14. My 14-year-old self, she could never have imagined. I'm so glad that you guys continue to watch my videos. I know things have definitely changed a lot over the years and they probably will continue to change. A lot of what I do is based on what gets views, but at this point in my life, I can't afford to be doing something that I don't like.